Well, this is the replacement lid for the Churchill Blue Willow teapot. It's the standard size for the large 2-pint teapot. We've got the measurements on the inner rim, which is this measurement here, which is just a smidgen under 3 inches. But because it's a little uneven quite often in the mouldings of these, we're quoting it as 3 inches, and that should be measured from the outer wall. The height or recess is this measurement here, which is about 0.75 inch, and the overall outer or upper rim diameter between the decorated part is around 3.5 inches. It is in very fine condition, a good replacement. The lip's very clean, no damage to it at all. And just for reference, this is the teapot that it fits. This isn't being supplied with the replacement lid, but there is the finished teapot. So if yours did look like this before you broke the lid and you're looking for a replacement, then this is what you're buying to remake the set. So, fine piece of mid-century Churchill Blue Willow, the 2-pint teapot, spare lid for replacement. Thanks for watching.